Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let me help you.
All right, today we bring in 6 popping confetti poppers. If you guys can see that, very simple to use. All you got to do is twist the bottom. If you guys see the arrow opposite way, confetti comes out here in the front, or something to start the actual confetti to push out. Do not point this on kid's face or anything else, or any compressed air, because it might damage your ears or your face. So be aware before you do that. Might not give it to the kids, only to maybe older kids, adults. Adult supervision is required. This is most likely like a firework, a lower end of a firework, I would say. But still, lots of things have happened. People have gotten hurt. So just make sure you're aware of that first. And we're going to take it to a party, see if we're going to put it to use. So let's go ahead and do that. We're here, the first party popper in the house. Yeah!
Ready?
Ready, go!
It's gonna be a girl.